Hey guys, Joe Smith here. This is what we got here so far. Still working on it, but basically took 4 drawers from the Craftsman tool chest, which are the same width as those drawers there, and got them all pretty much combined into here. And then the ratchet drawer that ended up being equal transfers. And still working on these. Had these in one other drawer, so took 6 drawers from the Craftsman cabinet and turned them into 2 plus the big one here. And then all the air tools that were in here fit into 2 drawers in the Craftsman cabinet. And the 2 drawers of automotive tools I had here went into 2 drawers of the Craftsman cabinet. So, still got 2 empty drawers in the Craftsman cabinet now. So, by getting these new Olsa brand, Olsa Tools organizers, and moving things around a little bit, was able to free up 2 drawers. So we got 2 extra drawer space now, and got room for more stuff in here still. Plus got a super long extensions down there. I don't use them too much. So, still work in progress, but getting a little bit better. Got some 2 drawers freed up, and all the sockets are now here next to the workbench, so not having to go too far getting them. And all the ratchets and other different socket sets and swivel sockets and spark plug sockets and hex sockets or whatever, and plus got the impact sockets. Another case of impact sockets, and lawnmower drain plug oil change sockets, and breaker bars and torque wrenches. And of course pipe wrenches, because I keep them over here in one of the heavy drawers, or ball bearing drawers, since they're so heavy. And then got, of course, extra wrenches in there, and then main wrench set here, stubby wrenches and extra long wrenches, ratchet wrenches with the flex head or the regular head. And of course, just some other types of wrenches, odds and ends stuff. Channel locks, adjustable wrenches, crescent wrenches, and hammers. So, stuff Joe Smith uses most of all over here next to the workbench now. Well, thanks for checking it out. Joe Smith still got some more organizing and cleaning to do here, so after he gets all done, he'll post more videos. Talk to you guys later.